In the Camero, I like to remove the cover off my reservoir so I can keep an eye on my fluid. Come down here, spray a little PV blast. There's 2 pins, one here, one in there. Started tapping it out. Basically these that go across the bracket. Just use a punch, tap those out. Alright, once I get them loose enough, I just use the pry bar, come in here, use the brake pads, push back and forth to compress my pistons, and then remove the pins all the way from the back. So by now, all of our pistons are compressed. You kind of have to apply some pressure here while pulling out your pins. Same thing for the bottom. Alright, pin and clip have been removed. Sometimes you got to reuse those, so you just clean them and grease them. Pads come out just like that. Let's reinstall new pads. They are aftermarket. Let's put those in and grease both sides of your pads. This is a 4-piston system, so you just want to lubricate the back of the pads and also your pins. Alright, new pads just slide back in like the old ones. And you start lining up your pin. If they get a new clip, you get to install this piece down. So in like this, and your pins slide through these grooves. Alright, so once everything's back in, just line up your clips. Tap them in. They'll be almost flush in the rear. You just want to make sure you can at least see these sides. Make sure your clip's straight. Go back on the cover to your reservoir, pump your brake pedal, put your tire back on. That's the Camaro front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.